In front of me is XIAOMI Pad 7, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to click on Privacy Protection over here. After that, you need to select all permissions and click on one of your device's features you wish to manage. Then tap on one of your apps over here and pick one of those options by clicking on the best one. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. Then go back, or if you want to, select See All permissions at the bottom and manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!